Hello guys, this is me Basit, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can render faster in After Effects. So I was rendering this video and it was taking so long, so I was trying to find any fixes and that can help me in rendering faster. So after trying multiple fixes, I found this one setting that I changed that has helped me in rendering faster. So I thought let's share it with you guys and you will find this valuable as well. So now let's go to my screen and I will show you how you can render faster. So now I'm on my screen and I will show you which settings you need to change to render faster. The first thing you need to select is come here at rendering setting and select the best settings. You can copy all of these, and the second, the main thing you need to do is just come here at output module and open these settings and copy all of them. If you are using some different settings, just copy all of these settings, and just the main thing you need to do is just come here at format options and then just come here at target bitrate. And as you can see right now it's 15, you can reduce this to like 8, and that's it. And then just click OK and start rendering. And when you start rendering, you will see a significant boost in your rendering time. It will reduce your rendering time by 50% and it will give you a boost. So yeah, one thing you need to keep in mind is that these settings will maybe reduce the quality a bit, but it won't be noticeable. In my experience, the quality was same and I didn't see any big differences in quality. So yeah, it works fine for me. Change the settings according to your liking and try multiple settings. From like it was 15, you can change it to like 10. So yeah, try it and let me know in the comments, do you find this helpful or not? And also let me know in the comments which type of tutorials you want to see next, and I will make a video on that as well. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye.